Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study books online. First, identify reputable digital libraries and platforms where you can access a wide range of books. Next, familiarize yourself with the built-in tools available, such as highlighting and note-taking features, which are essential for active learning. Finally, create a dedicated digital study space to minimize distractions and enhance your focus. To read effectively online, employ active reading techniques like summarizing each chapter in your own words. This helps reinforce understanding. Break down longer texts into manageable sections. For example, read for 25 minutes and then take a short break. Always use digital dictionaries and encyclopedias for quick reference, clarifying any unfamiliar terms instantly to maintain your reading flow. Maximize your digital tools by leveraging annotation features to mark key passages and add your own comments directly to the text. This makes reviewing much easier. Organize your digital notes efficiently using folders or tagging systems for quick retrieval. Consider participating in online study groups to discuss content, share insights, and gain different perspectives on the material. To stay focused and organized, schedule regular breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to prevent eye strain and mental fatigue. Minimize distractions by closing unnecessary browser tabs and silencing notifications on your devices. Remember, a clear mind helps retain information better. Also, for those looking to simplify their routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.